in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an outline super fast and easy and for free on Canva. So first that we need an image, and then once we have an image, let me just create a new page. I can just add whichever image I want. So let's say I add this one, then I click edit image and background remover. So I need to remove the background in order to create that outline. Now, the background has been removed, but this is a paid feature on Canva. So if you want it to be for free and if you don't want to pay for the pro account, you can just go to this page. Adobe has its own background remover that's free. You just need to sign up and that's it. Now, once you do that, once you remove the background of your image, you could just download that image to Canva and then upload it here. Now, if your image was not perfectly cut out, you could click restore and then restore some of the parts that you need, or delete some of the parts you don't want. So I'm done with this and I'm just gonna click apply. And then now I want to add the outline. So what I need to do is I need to click glow. I need to click it again so that I can change the settings. And now I'll change the color to white. You can choose any color you want. And then I'll change the size of it. I'll also increase the transparency and I'll decrease the blur because I don't want it to be blur. I want it to be a cutout. And I can make it a little bigger if I want, and that's it. Then I just click apply and I have my outline. Now to make it even cooler, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some shadow to it, to the outline. So I click glow again, and this time it's gonna apply it again, and as you can see I have a shadow, so I'm gonna click on it again. I can choose a color. I want it to be more blurry, maybe even more. Maybe I want it to be bigger so I can really see it, and maybe I want to decrease the transparency, make it less transparent, so less visible. So now it looks like it's, you know, on top of something, and it is a really cool effect. Now what I like to do with this, I like to change the background as well. So I would go to elements and then write shadow, my favorite kind of background. I'll go to either photos. If I want to add a photo to it, I would do it like this. Can also decrease the transparency here and then add like a nice shadowy effect, but keep the color I want. So let's say I wanted green, I could have it green, I could have it pink, I could have it any color. And another thing I can do is I can actually add a video. So in this case, I will just choose a video that I like with some shadows. Let's say I like this one. And then again, my image is a lot cooler, and this is really nice if you have a product that you want to advertise, so it's as a centerpiece and then all the stuff going on and happening. Let's try with another image. So let's say I have this girl over here. Ideally you want to choose an image that has like not a busy background, but you know, sometimes you just can't and you have to work with what you have. However, that's the preference. So as you can see, she was cut out perfectly. I really don't have to do anything else. And then again, I go to shadows, I go to glow, and as easy as that, I can just click on it and change it to, let's say I wanted green for some reason. I can increase the size, increase the transparency, and decrease the blur. So here I have it in green. This is not the right color for this image. Let's say I want it blue. So again, or this kind of green, or this kind of blue, or you know, something a little bit like this, or lighter, or whatever I feel like. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I can keep it like that. And now what we can do is we can either make the image a little bigger so it's really on top of everything, and while you are dragging the image, as you can see, sometimes Canva is not great with that. So I'm holding the Alt or Option key to make it not get disturbed. But sometimes once you drag the image, you will lose the effect. So unfortunately, you will have to do it again. The good thing is that it's super easy, so at least we don't worry with that. But as you can see, it just messes up my image for some reason. Why it's doing this, I don't know. But sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It really depends on Canva's mood, to be honest. Okay, so here I have my image. I click apply, and then I'm gonna try to make it bigger again. Sometimes it helps if you decrease the corners of the frame. Oh, okay. And now let me just drag it out, and here I have my image. So sometimes it just is a little bit annoying, but not always. And then what I can do is I can add some text. So let's say I'm gonna copy this text here, and what I can do with it, I can add a little animation to this really easily and really quickly. So here I can actually add some shadow because I really like that effect. So I'm just gonna do the same thing where I click on glow, and then it's gonna add the shadow to it. And this one is a little too strong for me, so I'm gonna increase the transparency, but it has decrease, I mean the transparency, but it has that little outline. You could also choose it to be white if that's what you like a more glowy effect. I like it I like the effect with black, and I click apply. And now all we need to do is click on this and click animate, and just choose an animation that we prefer and we like, and kind of create a cool looking effect. So whatever it is that you like. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know in the comments, and see you next time.